Net Nwoko Pikin really do this for my people to the extent that the guy let us know saying they come back for more and this particular thing so where they happen. I not really blame the guy, yo. I keep saying it, and according to people for the comment section, they let us know so now Regina Daniels they blame because on several occasions many people don't tell Regina say if your husband do something for you, may you suffer, keep on to yourself. Everybody knows saying Net Nwoko get money, stop flaunting it, but Regina know the year word. So last, so waiting this Net Nwoko Pikin where they call MZ do swear my people, the old thing baffle me. I no go lie for you now. Anyway, my correct people, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? If you are new in the house, you are welcome. If you're my old subscribers, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you haven't subscribed, please do well and smash on that red button that says subscribe, and kindly help me click on the bell icon as well, so that anytime or any day I upload a new video, you will be among the first person to always come and check it out. My people, this matter so, and this one just surprised me. In a no say for year inside yesterday for year, Regina can just flaunt her latest Ferrari. According to her, she let us know say her husband used the Ferrari take beg am. Lo and behold, not knowing say as Regina they flaunt am, some kind people belle they scatter, especially Net Nwoko son. Anyway, in case na not to sabi this guy for year, na him they call MZ, and na him be one of Net Nwoko son. He be say he stubborn like him papa, because according to Net Nwoko villagers, we hear say Net na very stubborn mind, the sense that, and I know say man be say if he collect something for in village people to the extent king see and king they roll, that kind of man which we go call up. They let us know say this guy in particular he take after the father, what do they call Net Nwoko, and this guy and Regina no be small katakata that they get. According to rumor we enter social media inside last year, they let us know say this guy so in the vex because say why, because say Net Nwoko just abandon him mama, despite the fact say him mama dey Nigeria with Net Nwoko. Net Nwoko no dey reach the mama compound at all. Ever since when they can't even marry Regina, the whole thing come the worst. This guy let us know say Net Nwoko go they do big man thing for house. I say as he did so sometime and they meet him. He said to the ex, they come they make and they vex say ever since when him papa marry Regina Daniels, if he won't even call him papa for him papa to even pick call self or return call back, he say na wahala. So inside last year for years, so this guy he come outside, he come cry for social media to the extent many people come they even they beg Regina, they can't even chook mouth put for the matter. My people, what he can surprise us today be say this guy so he can't come out or he say that Ferrari he say he go light and matches, so he say nothing go happen to the ex, and he can't even they call Regina say Regina na gold digger, say Regina just they deceive the old world, they tell the old world say na love is see for the papa side, say as Regina dey so Regina no love the dad any she come at all. He even can't let us know say that so we be say Regina Daniel bestie come out inside how many days for years, so it be like it's not Valentine Day wey the babe can't let us know say she and Regina they enter the other room. This guy let us know say lo and behold say na true, say na wetin happen be that we can't make them push show that girl come up for Regina Daniels life for in papa house. Say no be small thing, no. He let us know say Regina no like the dad. Regina just they pretend this. Say now after the money, so we no see and the way Regina go they come social media, come they flaunt everything. They let the whole world know. Say yes. Say my husband gave me this. My husband gave me that. Say wait to make Regina they do all this one. Say him no understand though, because as he does so he supposed to enjoy some kind things. But Regina they block way. Say the way they pay and pass no even in own no, because as he does so he don't take music as in career. He believes say one day he go blow whether devil like it or not. I think this guy talk he said na him mama, you know, he said na him mama na just a pen and pass for the matter. My people, this guy talk to the extent they can't reach where be say this guy and Regina Daniels so and two of them they can't even they exchange words. They can't exchange words for phone to the extent said the guy can't carry the message, so the guy can't paste time for social media. He let us know say that Ferrari he say he go lighter. He say Regina own too much. He said Regina go they do like say she come from silver own wey be saying that Regina na kpako that kind thing. If not because of the papa money, Regina go open her too high, come toss na him papa he won't follow. My people now from there a lot of people can't just surprise as in people no fit imagine. They, you know, they just surprise say show. So all these things wey be say Regina dey flaunt for social media, so you know they do and reach the pikin domot. May na see wetin the guy write o. Na Regina write him be this guy can't paste everything. He can't let us know say Regina they really they threaten am o. Regina can't even tell am say as e dey so him go tell him papa say make the papa no even dey pick the mama call, including in own. Now from there the guy can't just paste and so for social media. As people like me and as a lot of people for the comment section can't see all this, they can't also show why in short or why in X this guy go do this kind thing, as in why in short this guy go do this kind thing to Regina. But the guy don't say Regina don't turn to him mama, as in no matter how small Regina dey, she's not the mom because Regina happened to be the papa wife. So the guy made, you know, people can say the guy still try respect the, you know, respect Regina. Why some can they talk say no, why the guy go respect Regina if Regina know they carry herself come outside all this thing for they happen, they buy you Ferrari, you know, just so free, drive them in peace, must you use it and showcase for social media, all those kind of things. So now a lot of people can they blame Regina to the extent some come tell us say inside last year say they don't even draw Regina Daniels ear. They don't tell them say they don't know if the mama, you know, they come talk and say they don't know if the mama in short. No, they see all this right up. People say many people they write, even some bloggers. So whether they try, they advise Regina. Say Regina so free to they flaunt things for social media. Inside which day for years, so she they cry say she know they get the husband attention. Okay, lo and behold, she even they cry say she won't even come out for the house. Say everything don't even tire ram. You understand me so? So last, so what Regina just can't do the old thing. The OT can't get as it be. Last she can't let the whole world know as soon as they don't go beg her with Ferrari, and she know if he keep calm. For that reason she can't get to float her for social media. Now some people can't say draw here, not knowing say this as stepson. So where they call MZ don't even vex, so it let us know say we hear the part. So my people, hey, the way this guy they come out they vex, so me I don't really understand though, because if they spoil all these things, so now sure say money go reach in hand. Well, lo and behold, according to the guy, he even let us know say they don't even take music as, you know, as his own job. He don't take music as in career, because in papa no send a message, talk less of his own mama, that kind of thing. Say just a pretty girl, so we say just a marry the man, say go reach one time. Now the way the papa take do the mama, now that same way so the papa go take do the other ladies where they come they marry am, because they feel so that net now one kind correct person. I think this guy tell us so my people matter boku. The guy tells him Ned never see anything. So that in house will be say they born for Lagos for there, so he say go trace Sam come the old way they come. He say mean Ned like say tomorrow no deal her. This one get as a bill. I don't know why all this family come they carry their problems, so they come social media. My people, I don't understand, because what if no social media? They know if you do without social media. Now that kind of question me they ask, and I waiting some people see they ask for the comment section. My people, how will I see this matter? Because this one be say Regina just enter, so hey, this one hard though. I not go lie for it now, and I just hope say Regina go just learn to they suffer. They suffer, they hide, they shop her money in peace, or they collect her husband gifts in peace. I just wish she can do so. My people, how will I see this matter? The matter just get as it be. Anyway, make una drop in our own opinion for the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, leave your comment on the comment section. I go see you again for my next video. From me to you, I say bye bye.